Right, I'll let I show Isaac for 2 minutes.
Happy Christmas everybody. I hope you're having a very good Christmas to all your families and your friends and to yourself. From the Minor Railways Section committee and myself and the dog and the cat who are right behind me, I'd like to just wish you all a very happy Christmas and a very good new year, and hopefully get around to see you in 2024 and all the things that you've done and the stuff we're going to see in your little installations, your projects, your railways, etc. We've had a very good year. Fortunately, we thought it was going to be quite a quiet year with the cost of living, etc. But you came out and you visited with us on our explorations down to the Dean Forest. That was one of our most well visited, in fact I think it was our most well visited exploration that we've had so far. There was around about 50 of yous. We had a great day out down at Dean Forest. They showed us everything they had, all their signalling installations, some new stuff, some old stuff. It was a very good visit. And we've also had a very good seminar in Kidderminster, the Kidderminster Railway Museum again. A lot of new projects were shown there. The topic was new technology in heritage railways and signalling and operations side, things that we've done there. We had about 8 to 9 presentations. It was quite good, and we got for the first time a lady presenter, and we also got a live demonstration, which was very good. So that is something to look forward to when we have our next Kidderminster seminar. We haven't even started the planning for that yet, but trust me, there's things in the background already started on that to kind of keep that moving forward. And our AGM we'd like to thank as well, down at Didcot, the Swindon Panel Society, Dennis Groggins and all his teammates and his colleagues there. Thank you very much for showing us round. The staff and volunteers at Didcot as well. We got to see your signal boxes there. That was very nice. Thank you for that day out. Again, that was a well-attended visit and an AGM. So hopefully, looking forward to 2024, and we'll come and see you out where you are. Meanwhile, off in the corner here, the dog is looking very strangely at me while I'm talking to this square box on the table. But anyway, the Christmas tree's up. Hopefully have a good time. And before I sign off for 2023, we do have a blooper reel, and here's some of the bloopers. Enjoy.
Points, anytime you want. The set that's down there.
Right, yes.
That's the
Oh. Try again. Nothing's happening. Disconnected now, sir. They're locking. Happy Christmas. Happy flangeways, everybody. Have a good one.